rolling ever so softly through the week, and those winds yesterday, not the worst, but the drop in temps might be another story, right, Ryan?
Yeah, tomorrow morning, the coldest air of the season. We got lucky here in Albuquerque because in Klein's Corners, you guys had a 67-mile-per-hour wind gust, widespread blowing dust. And that was in the wake of yesterday's quick-moving storm system that brought in some rainfall in our viewing area Clovis, more than 1.5 inches from Sunday to Monday. Roswell, Ruidoso, you guys had between about 3/4 of an inch to more than 1.25 inches of precipitation in Albuquerque, 0.22 inches of chilly rain. And now we're going to be dealing with drier weather despite another storm system moving on through today. It'll be a quick mover, even a faster mover compared to the last one, only glancing the northeastern areas of New Mexico. And as that departs, we'll see a ridge of high pressure. So after the coldest start of the season tomorrow morning, we're going to start to warm up. Today and tomorrow, temperatures for most areas below normal, mostly dry weather. But come later this week, come Thursday, temperatures back a little bit above normal in the northern areas in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. In south of Albuquerque, 60s, even close to the 70s in Silver City, Roswell, and Carlsbad and Hobbs. And then we'll be tracking another influx of stronger winds later this weekend as a jet stream will move north of our viewing area, producing even more warmer weather and stronger winds. So ahead, very breezy weather, and I'll be tracking how the winds will change and how temperatures will fluctuate as well. Back to you.